I can hear you. Man, can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
What's happening?
What's up, brother?
Nothing much. Back at it. We live.
Man, it's a beautiful thing, bro. This morning trading sessions we doing is it's the golden tickets. I feel like I'm at Willy Wonka Chocolate Factory.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, for real. Like, you know how that little boy was so happy with his grandfather?
Yes.
Yeah, that's how I feel. Like that happy. Like I'm about to go to this rocket ship, and we made it to the end. The golden ticket, like. We went past all the greedy traders. You know that little girl that was so greedy and rich, she just wanted everything.
Oh, that turned into a blueberry, yo.
Man, come on, yeah. She blew her account up. Literally, blueberry her account up. Man, I'm on the road this morning, man.
Let's go, man.
Let's go, bro. Man. Up driving all night, talking to random people. It's a beautiful thing. Heard that boy Burner Boy was in town last night, turning up.
Oh, snap. I know that was major.
Yeah, the city lit. Yeah.
Shout out to Burner Boy.
Shout out. But yeah, man. These targets up here that I had, it's look like we definitely probably gonna hit that and possibly may break through. Like I was looking at the daily time frame right here to say once we break past 68 flat, then we'll probably be heading more towards bullish formations, and because even on a daily, we are in a bearish trend still.
Yeah, that's true.
Especially after, killing this bullish little push up. We killed that like right up in here and broke through that and continue the bearish trend. But I can easily say we will be getting out of that, starting to show signs of getting out of that once we break above 68 flat on the daily. On the weekly, totally different story. We are bearish on the weekly. And we will not be bullish on the weekly until we break above 71, whatever. 71.13, 71.20. So it's a lot of range going on right here.
Yeah.
This could be a consolidation area right here. We can see. Who knows, if we don't break out, we should reject these highs on the weekly and probably tap back into the lows. And we'll be ranging, and then we'll just look for a breakout from right here on the weekly, so to speak, to go bullish or continue bearish.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Mm-hmm.
Thinking once reaching those areas and we get some rejection, I would like that. But like you said, we do have lots of room,
Yes.
a good bit of room to go up.
Yes.
Before we get that, that reversal or sell signal.
Yes. And see, we just got our first buy color change engulfing on the 4-hour after all this movement. And not only was it a first, but it was one of the most cleanest buys besides coming from this bottom.
Damn, I didn't even notice that. Yeah, that's perfect.
But I didn't notice it either till I just looked at it just now and said it. Like, it ain't like that's the thing about these Sunday lives. We get to really just two heads looking at the same thing, analyzing. Like that stuff I would have missed,
Yeah, facts.
Not looking and talking. Even on the 1 hour, it's been sweet since Monday.
Damn. Yeah, that's true.
So had a nice sell-off on Monday morning. That was a fake out. Got everybody in the sales thinking we about to tank, and then we've just been increasing since then. Yeah, boy, they ain't gonna be able to shake us.
Not again.
Not again. take a quick glance at the news right quick. PPI, month over month, jobless claims, continuous and initial. 47 minutes away. So we do have a lot of news on Friday. We got retail sales year over year, month over month. Retail sales excluding gas and autos. Retail sales excluding auto. Michigan consumer, okay. Got some news on Friday. Possibly could use. But I do know I've been catching Bloomberg in the morning on my XM radio in the car, and that's a very good out of all the financial news channels. They give the most meat as far as like real market data, like as far as a trader.
Yeah, Bloomberg is the best.
Yeah, like terminology and the verbiage that they use.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I like their segments, like they break them up. You know, they'll have one where they talk about mostly crypto and
they even talk about sports.
Yes.
Like anything that's tradable or bettable on. So shout out to Bloomberg. Y'all keep doing what y'all doing. Keep it
man, Bloomberg. A great source.
Very good. Not just for stocks. Yeah, they've been talking about Fed probably gonna increase interest rates once more before we start to see any cuts.
Yeah.
Let's see what's gonna go up on the charts. Let's see what a 12-month chart looks like on an Australian dollar.
Yeah, bro. Sometimes you got to look at the grand scheme of things.
Man, those engulfing from January.
Wait, hold on. Show your chart.
Oh, I'm tripping. Damn.
You go.
I be forgetting. I be forgetting I could do this. Share this. Is it sharing now?
Yep.
Yeah, see. They got a button I can press when I'm looking at the screen that I'm on to just share it instantly. Like, but
okay.
Instead of toggling through the different windows, I could just
right.
But yeah, engulfing right here on 2013. What happened in 2013?
What? That's not a color change, though, huh? Just engulfing.
Not a color change. It's not a color change, but it is engulfing.
Yeah.
Damn near engulfing this year, and this year.
Yeah, that's true.
It's kind of like the reversal. This, you know what this is? This is the increase after this right here. You know, when the market goes up, that means the dollar is failing, yada, yada, yada. And look where it went up when we had the one of our most recent recessions, 2008 through 2010. It went up. And then it had a perfect reversal when everything was booming. Real estate was booming. Business was booming. Cash was flowing. Like, yeah, man, it really don't hurt to just step away and look at the grand scheme of things, boy.
So, with history being in the play,
yeah, what you think?
We got a nice bullish opportunity ahead of us.
Think bouncing off of this support?
Yeah.
with this rejection.
Mm-hmm.
So you think we got a bullish run after the dust settles? We got another bullish run for the USD. That's what you, and you going off, I guess, all this bullishness, support, hesitation and support with rejection, and then we should turn around.
Facts.
Now, are you saying, could we feel this wick?
Yes, we can. Like, for damn sure we can.
Okay.
Yeah,
But
I
I
mean,
guess
we got to think that move may not happen
feeling the
until.
wick would be the increase, though. You feel me? Like
Yeah.
feeling the wick would be the good terms. So, like you said, it maybe that would be too easy. Maybe that's not what we could be embarking on. Who knows? Like we really don't know, but we do know it's a lot of indecision right here over the past few years since
True.
2016, and I could maybe I am just to go out on a limb. I could say all this disruption because that's when crypto got hot. 16, 17, 18, like maybe that was that disruption. Maybe that was the crypto because we know what this is. Everybody know what that wick is.
Yep.
Say it. So yeah, it's crazy.
It is, man. But all right.
It's the monthly. That's exactly what we was looking at, but on the monthly charts. Yeah, but that shit popped up right after the damn recession, boy.
Yeah.
Talk about a pump fake, boy. Them niggas be, hey, boy. Yeah, boy. I ain't gonna speak on it, but they are some great pump fakers, boy. From the 3-point, they've been hitting. They've been hitting like bam, pump fake, bam.
So you gotta know how to close out when you're running at the defender. You don't know if you go pump fake or not. You gotta make sure you
Nah,
gotta balance a nice base. Just show your hands, choppy feet. Don't just run out there and try and jump in the air and block it.
right. Mess around, nigga, pull a charge, a foul out. You draw the foul, hit the 3. Now you about to go for 4.
Come on.
I've seen it happen too many times, man.
How many times?
Jordan was one of the coldest ones I've seen do it.
Thanks. Jordan. Kobe was a fool.
Kobe was he was a beast with it. That boy Dirk was good too.
Oh yes.
Dirk used to hit. You still in them buys, my boy?
Oh no, man.
You already hit TP?
You already know. We probably had it at the same area.
Nah, facts. That's just so sweet, boy. Like,
because I woke up to that.
yeah.
I was like, oh, he TP.
Yeah,
like
and it's so beautiful. I'm not in the market right now, but I'm like smiling. Like, like everything is just working out, man. Like we got a fire strategy, we got discipline is getting tighter. Like the consistency is there. Like man, like this is great. This is what trading is supposed to be, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
This is what trade. Like we're not even in the market. We already took profit at like 3 o'clock in the morning, but we're like happy because I mean it's just an opportunity is available.
Couldn't be happier.
Couldn't be happier.
Let's see when we get our next.
Yeah, the last buy opportunity was like 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 a.m.
Yeah, I'm definitely looking for a sale opportunity.
Oh yeah. It'd be nice to catch one right up the hill where it's about to,
And I believe we might get that opportunity at like 9 o'clock. If we do. Yep.
Let me see what the news said. The news said previous, let's say initial jobless claims, previous was 228. The consensus is 232. So we shall see what the actual will be. So they're expecting it to go higher. They're expecting more people to say, I don't have a job.
Yep.
That's what they're expecting. And if more people says that, if they get a higher number, let's see what they're saying. It's going to do. A higher number is negative for the USD. So a higher number means negative for the USD. So that means we should see an increase in the charts. So if we get a higher number, like the consensus says, we should see a pop or a bullish pop in this Australian dollar based on fundamentals.
Yes.
Will it always happen like that? No.
Hell no.
I'm going to say yes and no. It might not happen right then and there in your session, but maybe on the grand scheme of things, you know, it might happen over the course of a few days or weeks. But well, really a few days, because this news comes out every week. So
that's a fact. But isn't this one like we have like year over year, month over month?
Let me see.
Like this not a regular weekly one. This is for the month too.
Nah, it's for the week.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think they do month on month for the jobless claims.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just the other ones. I think that's really the only one that comes out every week, every Thursday. Like, I'm pretty sure, bro, it's a trader out there that just trades that news, bro.
I love it. Like Wednesdays are great.
Like you got, like, it's the perfect setup. You got the whole week to see how the market sets up. And then Thursday, one of the most important news releases for the economy, releases every week. Like, yeah, that's kind of fire.
Really fire.
Nah, for real. Kind of almost like a head and shoulder situation from the bottom, right? What they call it, inverted head and shoulders.
On what on this on a 1 hour time frame?
From the buys, like you got a shoulder right here, a head, then a shoulder, and then a continuation.
Okay, continuation. Yeah.
It's like a inverted head and shoulders versus, you know, from sales. That motherfucker rejected right there too.
Yeah.
I knew it.
This is perfect. So what it's doing,
I knew it.
starting to show some resistance. That news go shoot it up even more, and then resist even more. So where you'll get that pin bar again, that bullish pin bar, and then come 8, 9 o'clock. That's when you go get that bearish candle. That's what I really think at like 8, 9 o'clock.
So it would be now. What about this? What if we get a bullish close on this hourly, right? So that's 6 o'clock. Then 7 o'clock we get another bullish one. So you saying 8 o'clock we get a bearish one? That'll be our bearish color change and go.
Yeah. So 9 o'clock will probably be the enter.
I like how you think.
The NYSE. So like, yeah, when I look at something like this, because I don't have 2 green candles right now. I'm dealing with a bullish forming and then a bearish pin bar before it. Right. So I know for sure I was like, okay, I need another hour. I need this to close. So it really don't matter until this one close, but it looking like it will close bullish. I need another one to close bullish again, and then an engulfing after that so I can get my setup. So that's going to be 3 hours that I have to wait out and see what happens. So that's when the patience comes into play. It can shoot to the moon, go crazy, but I'm still waiting on one thing to happen.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
And guess what? If you don't get that set up, we always wait till next session or the next day. Like that's real patience. Like how we explained him, like the market could shoot higher. It could create 4 more bullish candles. It
Yes.
never
There
give
we
you
go.
a setup
There
to
we
sell.
go.
Granted, you're gonna be like, damn, yeah, I missed out on that buy, but you still waiting on the sell because the sell gonna be crucial. And who knows? You may not get a crucial. It may reverse slightly, create 2 bearish candles, and then engulf on the buy and give you a nice buy setup to continue. Like you gotta always be, open and considering every aspect of what the market could do. But as we are nearing old resistance, it would, behoove you to be more on the bearish side of things. Put it like this: don't be trying to catch 100 pip move, 200 pip moves off of buys from here just because it's pushing off a volume. You should have been getting buys from down here. That's how you got to look at the market. Don't because this is where all the volume gonna come up. You know why they put all the volume at the end of the move? Because that's where they get all the fake outs and they get all the people to jump in the buys late and they can reverse on your ass.
Yeah. And then it's not like, and it's not like people be thinking like everybody get slipped. It's like, no, most people that's in the US are asleep. So they wasn't even trading that buy, those buy push. Then you get a new market open, you know what I'm saying, out the overlay. So then you got guys, like us that's waking up in the morning and seeing this. And we like, oh snap, it's a buy. Look at all that buy movement it did.
Right.
It's gonna continue. And just
Right.
like you said, especially with this news, it'll shoot up, but then it'll turn right back around.
Right.
And take all of them out. You know what I'm saying? And the same thing is going to happen for the traders that trade in the Asian session. Once they look at what happened in the US markets, same thing is going to happen with the UK session when they look at what happened in the Asian markets, kind of sort of overlap.
Yeah.
And so it happens in every session. It's not like all the traders get screwed up on this one particular move. It's like, no, on every move, traders get screwed up. It's just like, what side are you on? What
Right.
are you looking for? What is your edge?
Yeah. And then look at yesterday morning. Look how this pushed up high with volume, and then we had a settling off. Like imagine all the people who bought up here, and not only who bought up here, but got out as the market was tapping down, and then realized what actually happened. Granted, even if you bought up here late, you just now in profit, and you only in profit probably about 8 or 10 pips. So you really hurt.
Yeah.
Psychologically.
Right.
So it's like, yeah.
That's why that smiley face, bro, that stuff starting, that's real sweet. Cause now that is an area of interest.
Exactly.
So if you trying to enter, I would say buys for sure off of area of interest, then you tripping. See, right now we are definitely bullish in this 1 hour little short frame trend before we zoom out to really look at it. But like I said, you look to the left, you got two peaks that you're looking at. So
you don't want to be buying right here.
You do not.
Look what happened. History repeats itself. It's gonna tell you, look what happened right here. What it did. Sold. What happened right here? Sold. What happened right here? Bought. What happened right here? Bought. Like market remembers old points. So yeah, like he said, don't be trying to buy off of resistance.
Uh-huh.
Like, why would you want to buy? It's hard to buy with somebody resisting you, you know, like they don't want to sell.
Right.
Or do you want to sell support? Like you want to keep that.
Facts.
So when you sell support, you go fall.
The news is at 7:30.
News, yeah, 7:30.
Okay.
News is in 27 minutes. And knowing all that information we broke down, this would be a good, you know, like a good breakdown to watch and understand for scalpers, because a lot of people who trade news, they like to scalp incremental and smaller time frames with that volume. And knowing how we broke down that based off of fundamentals, it should push up if we get a higher number. And also, we know we got areas of interest right here to sell from. We should push up and get a higher. So it's like the scalpers can catch this, even though it is at the top. But I know how scalpers trade. You know, they don't trade like us, because even though this is a top on a 5 minute, it looked like it probably got buku room to go. Like, you know.
Yeah, especially with high news, like
Yeah.
that's what I would want it to do.
Saying that to say, if you are scalping, you have to know what's going on the bigger picture. You can't just be blind to looking at no 5 minute, 1 minute, 15 minute.
Right.
You know. They was talking about, it was a football team. I want to say, damn, was there any football team recently that had a name change besides Washington?
Not that I know of. Only Washington.
And what are they called?
The Commanders, I think.
Yeah, okay, yeah, that's what it is. Damn, Jeff Bezos was supposed to buy them, but he backed out. And I was talking about that on Bloomberg, and I think they said Magic Johnson also got a bid in to buy him.
Damn, I want to know why Jeff Bezos backed out.
I don't know, but guess how much this is priced for?
Like two B's.
6 B's.
Damn.
Yes, sir.
Damn. It's not bad.
It's not bad, you know, especially when you probably ain't gonna be using most of it or any of your money to buy it.
That's true.
So walk down to Chase Bank, like, say, bruh, wow. Yeah, man, it's a beautiful thing. We definitely getting into this our happy zone. This is our cool happy zone. So, man, he letting y'all know he is very
Yeah, which means you can see the emotion. Like this guy is relaxed now
relaxed.
that it's in this area. Like he is chilling. He is so cool because he's knowing what's to come. He knows what he's looking for in this area. So he cool. He chilling.
And he created this box that he was gonna wait for price to come. He created this on Sunday. Like that's how much he knew he was patiently waiting. Like, you know, I think y'all gonna come up to me. Let me go chill over here, and I'm just gonna wait for y'all to pull up.
That's it.
No rush. I'm gonna come here early, you know, just go chill and wait for y'all. It's a beautiful thing. Yeah, you ain't lying, bro. We might have to do something with that cool smiley face.
Oh yeah, like it's a good way for.
I like how you said with the glasses.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That'd be a dope idea. I'll mess with that. I'm gonna be trading light from here on out for the rest of the week because I am positive and I want to stay that way.
Risk management, man.
No, big facts. Not only am I positive, it's coming from a little slight loss I took from it was something that happened. Somebody did early in the week, and not only did I make back the losses, but from that loss, I damn near like doubled the account. Now I know the month that it on. I'm not speaking on the amount of money, but just the fact that equity wise, I don't care if it was $1 million. Like I doubled that up.
Right.
Like yeah. And I give all that to just us locking in, not only in the mornings but just throughout the day, how we be chatting and talking about it, you know.
Yeah, it started with that, and then now it's like we just refining that with these morning ones. But
Right,
yeah,
right.
bro, just on that. Once we started being active on that, that was just it's just those alerts.
Big facts. Big facts.
But yeah, man, it's about to go ahead and get ready for the day.
Yes, sir. We'll be here, man. We got 20 more minutes.
Nice.
Let's see what news do. See how this hourly close out.
The French Quarter Fest kicking off today.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's about to be lit.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going. Bright lights in the city got me thinking about more money. OG told me it's no money like home money. Flight out of state, 20K is like show money. Meet me face to face, we can talk, then you can go for me. I don't hold grudges, I go hard.
Shout out to Larry, man.
Remember when you used to call me
Hey.
Yeah.
Well, I know when Brian first put me on that, boy, I low-key thought he was from like San Antonio or Austin, like on something, because he used to say he in a lot of his songs. And I thought
like Michael Jackson.
Yeah, but it had like almost like a cowboyish type of swing to it. But yeah, it wasn't like he. It was like a he like that type shit, like a real like a cowboy. I was like, damn, it's like I ain't never heard nobody say that in their rap before. Like that shit was just unorthodox. I was like, wow, this dude is weird. But yeah. Highly motivational music, man.
Thanks.
Shout out to all that motivational music. Larry June, Spitter, J. Cole. It's a whole lot of people.
For real. Dom Kennedy, though.
Kennedy.
Yes.
Big facts. Jay Worthy.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, man, I'm about to go ahead and get out of here for the day, bro.
All right, brother. You have a great day.
You too, man.
We'll keep locked in. Like I said, we got about 15 minutes. And then we'll see if we go get that sale at 9 o'clock.
All right, man. Yeah. Keep a look at it. You know, I'll definitely be tapping into Telegram or whatever. Just to let y'all know what I see. But yeah, we go wait till this news happens, and yeah, 8, 9 o'clock, we should be getting active.
All right, brother.
All right, man. I'll holler at you, bro.
Holler at you. Peace out.
Peace.
Yes, sir. So, yeah, we got 16, 15 more minutes left until news drops. We're already getting signs of rejection from this area of interest, but that does not mean anything because in 15 minutes, we could and should see a very bullish push. So that's ultimately what we're waiting for. And we're going to see how high we can get it. We know that the average pip size, average range, true range, typically for the Australian dollar is about like 70, 80 pips, upwards of 90 on average. You know, we do have more. We have days that we get into the hundreds, days where it just don't do too much of nothing, but the range is average on about a 70, 80 pips a day. So with that being said, we want to look at like daily opens and close. This opened yesterday around 15, 1600, 1700. That was at what? 66.90 with a low of 66.85, and right now, so I'm gonna just say 66.90 just to make it easy. And right now we're at 67.40. So that's 50 pips. So from 40, if we want to do a range of, let's say 80, we got another 30. So we can go to 70, 66, 70, which is right at the top of this box. Boy, we on fire, y'all. The FXBros is on fire. If this candle produces a bullish push of 30 pips, then I'm done, because that falls in lines of our true range, the average true range of the market. I mean, it's kind of capturing all this volume that we saw yesterday evening. going into the morning. We got news coming out in a few minutes. Like, yeah. And especially if this news is negative, which would be a higher number, then we should see a increase in the charts. Because it's positive for us right now. Yeah. Simple as that. And I'm about to step away right quick. I'll be right back. We got 12 minutes of news come out. I'll be right back. Ten more minutes. Bullishness is in effect. 9 more minutes on news. And we are still pushing with the bulls. Shout out to everybody that caught this move over the week. We've been bullish all week. Targets was here. We set this order block. Fair value gap type of structure. Area of interest. We set this on Sunday and looks like we are definitely attacking this. On a 4 hour, it's not really the true order block, but it is catching my our wick area, so we good to trade a 1 hour on the wick, baby. Screen is black. The screen black. We good? We good? I think we good. Maybe I had a bet. Get back on. Push it, baby, push it. 6 more minutes on news. 6 more minutes on news. We got some news that you can use. Four more minutes on news. Let me put the news up.
Shit right here, baby. That boy currency on this. Montana. Shout out the store, shout out the websites, shout out the blogs and all that. That's support French Montana. Bring back DJ Sub. People in by.
Got 4 more minutes, y'all. So we get this news release. 2 minutes for news. Two minutes for news. It's about the 2 minutes for the news. It's gonna drop on your head. 2 minutes for the news. It's gonna drop on your head. 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm not even looking at the charts, so it don't matter. I want to see what the number go see. I want to see what the news go see. You feel me? What are we doing? What are we doing? Over here drinking water and eating fruit, man. Life is great. What's popping, brother?
Life is real great.
Life is real great. Countdown begins. 50 seconds.
I want to see what this news looking like, man. Tapping back in right quick.
From the top. Seconds. 10. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Still a refresh.
You hear me? Oh, we jumped up just like we called it.
Man.
Easy.
Better than expected. Actual. Oh, 239 actual.
Bitch.
All right, let's see what the chart's doing, baby.
We jumping up, man.
Whoa, man. Like, if I could make it up, I wish I could, but I can't make it up. I wish I could make it up, y'all.
Oh, man. Yes, perfect call.
Yes, sir. Shout out to all the people who got in buys at 2 a.m. If you caught those buys, or if you caught the 9 p.m. from last night buys, which was so it was a nice spread on that one for your stop loss, but never got hit. If you still in it, yeah.
Butter biscuits, baby.
Butter biscuits.
Those are the best.
Nah, facts. I know where it's going to. Watch it's gonna tap the top of that box and come back down.
Damn, you think it's gonna go way up there?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You know why I think so?
Why?
Average true range.
Come on, Pip.
Come on, Pip. Shout out to Pip, man.
Pip getting alive, bro.
Yeah, for real.
ATR.
Average true range for this pair typically is about 70, 80 pips, maybe 90. I'm not really looking at the ATR, but I kind of just know from history that's what it is. So I just did simple math. I went to where market, the daily open, kind of measured it, ballpark from the low to where it could go as far as range. And the top of this box would be that range, that 90, 80 pip range. I know for sure it was gonna go to the midpoint, at least that, which it did. But I'm expecting to go all the way up here, creating some probably consolidation and maybe like a, who knows, maybe a 1 p.m. color change engulfing, or if not, it's gonna be a Asian session. This bitch might just keep printing green candles like the damn Fed. Let's go. I don't know who this Scully to the Bone dude, but he always be showing comments, man. Shout out to Scully to the Bone, man. I love this dude on YouTube. That's my beautiful stuff here. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Get started next. Download the app today because Lowe's knows time is money. Lowe's knows pros. You may know that I love food. The things that pair well with the world. That's why I drink San Pellegrino, a perfectly balanced sparkling water. I also drink wine, but this isn't an app. San Pellegrino. At the United States Postal Service, we're reinventing our network to deliver better value.
Smiling face, he real happy now. I gotta turn him on. I gotta make it bigger. He real happy now. Go closer. He's real happy. Came right where you wanted. Just to shake the 10,000 rule. All 25. All 25 grand. Hey. 200 on the dash. Man.
We live?
Yup.
For sure. Had to break away right quick.
Yeah. But yeah, we about to wrap it up.
For sure. Shouts out to everybody that held on to those buys. Amazingness.
Yes.
Um,
Shout out to people that was following us all week with these buys since Monday.
Come on.
And I hope y'all understood this was a fake out move. You know, yes, we were a continuation, but everybody was expecting this to melt because we was breaking this support from all this. So if you caught these buys, shout out, man. Well deserved.
Well deserved, yeah.
So now we're just gonna allow market to create a position for us to get into a sell. And you know what we look for? We look for bearish engulfings. And we got the FXBros indicator up right now, letting us know where all the bearish engulfings are, just in case if we can't find them.
Yeah. Yes.
But yeah, man. That's where we at, man. We about to wrap this one up, man.
Y'all already know, man. Y'all stay tuned for more of this.
Yes. We'll see y'all tomorrow morning.
Y'all already know.
Friday, 6:30 a.m.
Once again, y'all be good, man. Peace.
All right.
And we'll be back tomorrow morning, brother.
Peace out.
Peace.